Hi, I'm excited to show you the MLtwist platform. Let's get started. MLtwist gets unstructured data ready for AI. Are you developing an AI product? With the MLtwist platform, you can handle end-to-end data preparation through a simple no-code interface in a secure environment. Let me show you how. Track your data's progress through your project dashboard. Create your own data pipeline that runs automatically from your data source into MLtwist. Next, you can use AI for pre-labeling. Select an LLM to create synthetic data on the fly, visualize and distribute your data with your team members. Let's dive into labeling. MLtwist automatically pushes your data to the best tool for your project, in the exact format required. Your labeling team notifies you on platform when your data is ready for review. Do you need quality control of your labeled data? Review your data annotation and JSON files directly on MLtwist to check for accuracy, approve or reject labels, and give feedback to the workforce. Our anomaly detection feature speeds up your query process by surfacing odd behaviors. In sum, MLtwist is your very own unstructured data management platform where your data lives and gets downloaded in your native format. It's one complete enterprise solution for audio, video, image, text, and 3D data processing, all in a 100% secure environment. For more details, visit mltwist.com.